Before you begin, remove the access panel, the front bezel, and the drives cage. Removal. Free the power supply connector from the cable guides on the side and top of the fan duct. Pull out on the two retaining tabs for the fan duct and pull the fan duct out of the PC. Replacement. There are two small ledges on the inside of the fan duct that rest under the top edge of the heatsink. To replace the fan duct, align the fan duct approximately into place. Pull out on the retaining tabs for the fan duct and press the fan duct down until the tabs snap into place over the edge of the heatsink. Replace the power supply connector through the cable guides on the side and top of the fan duct.